Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff, notification bell, there's reasons. But thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. One slight oversight. All that liquid nail. All that liquid nail. A lot of this paint needs to come off. I'll worry about the interior when I worry about the interior, but I gotta get this paint out of there. Paint and the glue. Time lapse. For the most part, power washer did a pretty good job knocking some of that loose, but yeah, the bottom's the weathered and it's tighter on the top. So the only way to get 100% would be to get a paint stripper. Patreon. Hire me a stripper. I'll get her to do some painting for me. I have to get it off of this because it's the door. First impressions and all. That stuff got wet. That's why it's so tight. It dried back out. Technically, it cured itself twice. This bottom splotch of paint is fine. I'll lighten some of it up, some of the white up. Hit it anyway, but I just want to get that glue out of here. I don't want the adhesive being an issue with the animals. So then flip it and do this peak. And a half. Makes it 7 1/4. Half of that is 3 5/8. 5/8. I put a single screw in each just to help mock it up. Make some marks. Now, that out of the way, I can work on the inside. I'll think of something. Might have to Google dollhouses and then delete my fucking history. Dollhouse interior is the only thing I can think of. Floor plans. How did they secure them to the walls? Here's a quick tip. Measuring on the back. Can't get the tape all the way. 6. Trying to try to show you. There we go. 13 and a half. Now I know what to make. Patreon sponsored purchase. It's a 1/4 inch by 2 foot by 4 foot to my
2 Patreon supporters, Mamology 101 and Verikasaki 86. Awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Awesome. If you care to help me in my endeavors, $1 a month is all I ask. And this single sheet of 2 foot by 4 foot, I can get 6 of these out of it, and that'll help me with all 3 houses. So thank you. Thank you. Means the world.
This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, subscribe, comment if you need to. Links for ththings, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.